All right, here we go. Good luck. Box number 8, 2015 in the game. Leaf Stickworks or Leaf in the game Stickwork. Nice. Former Edmonton Oilers, Los Angeles Kings, 6/35. Grant Fuhrer. Look at that thing. How used it is. Next up, Chelios Stick, Al McInnes, and Chris Chelios, 38/40. Stick Rack 2. And our last hit, we got a complete stick, tape, stick, blade of a goalie, just named Patrick Waugh. That looks like it's numbered 17/40. Tape, stick, blade. There's some dude named Patrick Waugh. There's the tape. There's the stick. There's the blade. And number 3. That's just that's what you call him Pat. Here we go. Cujo! You got the cat? Now you got Cujo. Look at that thing. Woo! 4/40. Game used goalie paddle. Curtis Joseph. Very nice. Then you have Phil Housley and Larry Murphy. And Al McInnes and Raymond Borg. Nice stick on Larry Murphy. That is numbered 9/40. Hopefully there's something short print in the bag. Both of them 40. And the last one. Oh, we got a quad again. This one looks like it's goalies. Bernie Parent, Curtis Joseph, Cujo, and Felix Potvin and Vladislav Tretiak. That's number 13/40. Raymond Borg played for the Bruins. You've heard, you've heard at least 3 of these. And the last one. Good luck. $1,040 assists for the Los Angeles Kings. Marcel Dion, 4/40. Next up, triple. 18/35, we have Chris Chelios, Chris Pronger, and Phil Housley. For some reason I knew it was going to be Pronger right in the middle. And the last one is gonna be Bob Gainey, Guy Lafleur. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing. Woo! Be the Canadian stick. We are Canadians. Steve Shutt and Serge Savard. Stickwork 4, 14 of 15.
Some people can train the same way every day, but our goals aren't just about numbers or times.
That is sick. That is a nice one. Indeed it is. Very nice. Good stuff, senor.